is not a newbie, right? So Demo is a well-known name in the entire country in the automobile industry. So when the requirement came, the choices was very less, and on top of the list was definitely Demo. This is Alston Ryan, the treasurer of the Welfare Society of St. Mary's College. It's a historic day for us here. We have the new buses that we have purchased from Demo, the Tata 712s.
So what we bought is the 32-seater version, which is fully air-conditioned. We have our children traveling out stations outside Colombo for matches, and they travel long distances. So their comfort is a key factor when we have chosen this model. We again chose the brand because of the agent's reliability as well as the brand's reputation around the world for commercial vehicles. Branding was done according to our college requirement so that when it travels, it also takes our brand name out there together with Tata.
ටාටා අවුරුදු ගණනාවක් දකුණු ආසියාවට වාහන නිෂ්පාදනය කරන දැවන්ත බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් නේම් එකක්. ඉතින් ඒක අපි විශ්වාස කරනවා ඒ තුළ දැවන්ත ආරක්ෂිතභාවයක් නිෂ්පාදන කාර්ය තුළ කිරීගෙන යනවා කියලා. ඉතින් ඒම තමයි අපි ටාටා කියන බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් එක තෝරා ගැනීමට මූලික වුණේ.
This year we are celebrating our 160th year. So therefore we have decided to support our sport activities. We have chosen Tata brand new 2 vehicles.
Well-known name in the entire country in the automobile industry.
ඒ තුළ දැවන්ත ආරක්ෂිතභාවයක් දෙනවා.
Comfort is a key factor.
දකුණු ආසියාවට වාහන නිෂ්පාදනය කරන දැවන්ත බ්‍රෑන්ඩ් නේම් එකක්.